do, ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise, because him know from half a tree to the world, and he knows what it takes for the long haul to be a good artist and have a good body of work. Please make some noise for Anthony Cruz.
Yeah. Easy. Push easy. Ease up, selector. Yeah. We just want to big up all the people them right across Jamaica and right across the world who is going through a rough time right now. Seeing and we're there for just give them some energy and give them some vibes and uplift the people them. And you don't know, make some money so some people can build back. Seeing? Let it come on. Seeing? Ooh, I love you, Lord. Ooh, I love you, Lord. So we're going to start with a prayer, because everything we put the Almighty first. Seeing? Right? Check this. Oh Lord, if you should ever hear me, oh Lord, I'm asking you to forgive me, oh Lord, on me have some mercy, yeah, I'm on my knees, begging for protection from my enemies. Please, freeze them when they try to knock me down. Keep my feet firm on solid ground. If you love the Almighty, everybody, let me see you go like this. Come on. I sing praise in the morning time, praise in the evening time. No matter where I go, gonna let the whole world know I forever sing you praises. Sing praise when I'm going out. Lord of mercy, I praise when I'm coming in. Lord, your love you found and spread it all around everywhere I go. To be praised. Yes, man, right across the world. Watch this. And if you come from a uptown, give him praise. If you come from a downtown, give him praise. If you come from out of town, give him praise. With all of your might, just give him praise. He's worthy, so much worthy. I start my praises early. Oh, when I wake every morning, yeah. I've learned to appreciate you, Lord. Want everyone to be in one accord. Spread your love and share your grace. Put in everyone a smiling face. There ain't none like you, so merciful. People, come on, man. I sing praise in the morning time. Whoa. I sing praise in the evening time. No matter where I go. Oh, take it away, Mr. DJ. If you love your mother, everybody want to see one hand in the air. I want to dedicate this one to all the mothers right across Jamaica. Turn it up, man. Hey. I remember the days when things wasn't right, when mama held me tight, stayed up late all through the night to rock me gently to sleep, and no one else could compete, making sure we had the best of life. She made a sacrifice, never hesitate to compromise. She wanted the best life for me. Oh, Telethon, you're truly a blessing. Mama, you're special. Thanks for all you've done for me. Your love is the greatest. I gotta tell you this. I said this one is exclusively. You're truly a blessing. Thanks for all you've done for me. Your love is the greatest. I gotta tell you this. Break it down low. She worked day and night for over 20 years, through sweat, blood and tears, trying to make the stress disappear. And no one else is so dear. My mama, she's always there. A mama like you should be a mama for everyone. Someone who understands and do the best she can. Well, if you love your mother, tell it and miss her. Push up one hand again, yeah. You're truly a blessed. Dash it. And we're gonna of the place now we are send love from half a tree right to Montego Bay. Same way. St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland. When you want to meet a country girl, and when you want to meet a uptown girl, when you want to meet girls that work a bank, girls will love a top rank, just go to right a NCB, right out of the Lakota. Round a mothers where they put more bus, them come stop out. Girls are brown, girls are black, girls are slim, girls are fat out. Why don't sound sweetie, man? Sure. Over watching me hear them, they enough. But I same place out here, them take bus. Spanish town now left none out at all. And every Saturday we out the pandy man. Watch you girl, you done with them and me best friend. A pavilion me meet Dan and Karen. If you think my beer they too fast, me and the Telethon make a part and go to right a NCB, right out of the Lakota. Round a mothers where they put more bus, them come stop out. Girls are brown, girls are black, girls are slim, girls are fat out a halfway tree. Video man, follow video man. Me never know say so much woman could have dep on one island. But welcome to Jam 1. Every time me turn a woman from me left and me right hand, like me name is a mention. All I can see, girl from New York and girls from Miami. Girls in the Telethon, we come here today just to make some money. Right out a half, sure. Right a NCB, right out of the Lakota. We come to make some money, no one get it, build the place back halfway tree. Girls are brown, girls are black, girls are slim, girls are fat out a halfway tree. Whoa, na 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 na. When you want to meet a country girl, and when you want to meet a uptown girl, when you want to meet girls that work a bank, girls that love a top rank, just go to half. Right a NCB, right out of the Lakota. Round a mothers where they put more bus, them come stop out a halfway tree. Girls are brown, girls are black, girls are slim, girls are fat out a halfway tree. Oh, na 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 na. Right out a halfway tree. Yes, man. Enough love and enough respect. Yes. I would just want to send beer money go down from halfway tree right to Mobile to St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, the whole place. Be back. Sing. Yes, man.
Right here on stage, make some noise for Andrew Tosh.
Sit in the morning sun and watching all the birds passing by. I said, oh, how sweet they sing, and oh, how much I wish that I could fly. And I try, said I try. Good Lord, I try. I really try. But I gotta pick myself up and dust myself off. Start all over again. I got to pick myself up over and over and dust myself off. And I said start all over again. Sit in the midday sun and wondering where my meal's coming from. I said after working so hard, not even piece of bread I'm a yard. And I said I try, oh Lord I try. Said I try, I really try. But I gotta pick myself up and dust myself off. start all over again. I got to pick myself up over and over and dust myself off. And I said start all over again. Sitting in the evening sun and watching them same birds passing by. I say, sitting and wondering and waiting for the time for me to fly. And I try, still I try. Greater Lord, I try. I really try. But I gotta pick myself up and dust myself off. Start all over again. Jamaica gonna pick itself up over and over and dust myself off. I said that starts all over again. So long and I just find it was just a waste of time. So long and I just find I've been wasting my precious time. And I pick myself up, dust myself off. And I next one. Are you
Tonight, make some noise for Matthew Malcolm.
Rolling on my wheels through Jamaican streets, where the sound of reggae gave birth to the dancehall beat. Reality hit right between my eyes. When I see a tree roll a muscle in the street, them cry. Please, sir, can I get some food to eat, sir? Hungry and I feel so weak, sir. And I got to hit these streets, them crying. Please, sir, can I get some food to eat, sir? Hungry and I feel so weak, sir. And I got to hit these streets, Rainfall fall for them every day, and the sun don't shine, so they never get no time to play. Well, stifle them vision and them couldn't see far. Government don't help, so they end up cleaning your car. John no star, please, can I get some food to eat? Hungry and I feel so weak, sir. And I got to hit these streets, them crying. Can I get some food to eat, sir? Hungry and I feel so weak, sir. And I got to hit these streets, streets that turn them shutters. Can't go on no day. Now the time get hotter. Can't stay left down there. Don't pretend I'm no matter. Listen what them say. Cause if you only go here at the cutter. Can I get some fruit, yeah? Hungry and I feel so weak. And I got to hit these streets, them crying. Can I get some food to eat, sir? Hungry and I feel so weak, sir. And I got to hit these streets, them crying. Can I get some food to eat? Hungry and I feel so weak, and I got to hit these streets, them crying. Can I get some food to eat? Hungry and I feel so weak, and I got to hit these streets, Please, sir, can I get some food to eat? Hungry and I feel so weak, and I got to hit these streets, Please, sir, can I get some food to eat, sir? Hungry and I feel so weak. searching for this truth, longing for some youth, fuel the fire like fools. But you can't run away from yourself. You better get your place in order. Lord help you, cannot run from the Father. Hey, today for you, tomorrow I feel the Master. And the same day leaf rock me no water. Yeah, so many wicked men out there, all of them tricks and lies. Yeah. So many wickedness out there. How do you sleep at night? So many wickedness. Yeah. So many wickedness. All of them tricks and lies. And the night again, brawling out with them big machine and them darkest friend. Set them by schemes, analyzing them, feed them rifle talk before them rifle walk. Ooh, so many wicked men, all of them tricks and lies. Ooh.